Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering down the iPhone and opening the display. This exposes the home button assembly. Use a pentalobe to remove the two lower screws, then apply a suction handle and lift the screen just enough to access the bracket screws. Once done, remove the metal shield securing the display connector, careful with the tri-point fastener. You're doing this to keep connectors intact. Steady pressure and correct drivers prevent stripped screws and bent brackets, so make sure to keep screws organized and work slowly. With the display lifted and battery connector disconnected, locate the home button bracket and remove its screws. You'll gently pry the home button flex up from the display using a plastic spudger, freeing the button from the bezel. If you're preserving Touch ID, transfer the original button to the new cable. This is necessary because Touch ID is paired to the original Secure Enclave. If not preserving Touch ID, install the compatible replacement cable. Make sure the flex sits flush and screw the bracket back down to secure alignment. Reattach the display connectors and reconnect the battery, pressing each connector into place until you feel a click. Lower the display into the frame starting at the top, then press the perimeter to seal. Reinstall the two pentalobe screws. Power on the phone and test the home button for mechanical click and Touch ID authentication if you transferred the original button. If the button is unresponsive, power down, reopen, and inspect connectors for misalignment or debris. Correct seating of the bracket often resolves intermittent clicks and non-functional Touch ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.